Welcome back to Checking Out with MFG. We have recently returned from the Sonesta Ocean Point Resort in Sint Maarten. The Sonesta Ocean Point Resort is located on Maho Bay on the Dutch side of Sint Maarten, overlooking the Princess Juliana Airport. We have a full room tour as well as a resort overview. Please give me a like and subscribe now if you enjoy my content. Just a reminder that we have no sponsorship deals or paid partnerships. Everything is 100% paid for by us, as well as the reviews are 100% honest. This is an adults-only, all-inclusive resort, one of the only ones on the island. We stayed in room 420, which is a standard king room. I believe we did get an upgrade from a lower floor to a higher floor. The room itself was pretty spacious and outfitted with all of the expected amenities and then some. The king bed was firm but comfortable, the linens were fairly soft, and the pillows were more than adequate. Overall, I've had worse night's sleeps in most hotels. The sitting area consisted of a love seat, coffee table, and a bistro set with a glass table. This worked out great for room service. The coffee station was located in a cabinet directly in front of the bed. Inside the cabinet, there was a fridge and the coffee station. The fridge was filled daily with fresh bottled water and ice-cold beer. The coffee station had everything you need to make a fresh cup of coffee. However, we did not give it a try. We used the included room service, which could get us fresh coffee and everything to go with it in about 20 minutes. Also included was an ice bucket, some rocks glasses, and a selection of alcohol. We did not use the alcohol in the room, but it was the same alcohol they were using for well drinks at all the bars on the property. Under the TV is a long vanity. We utilized this space to hold our sunscreen and charge our devices. The closet had 3 doors, each with a full-length mirror. This was the worst design we have ever seen, and it was always difficult to utilize as one door was always in the way. The closet housed an ironing board, a rain umbrella, and a solar umbrella. Plenty of clothes hangers, but the rod seemed kind of weak. In the rest of the closet, there were spare pillows, a standard hotel room safe, a shelf area with the iron, as well as 3 drawers. There was not ample drawer space in the room for clothes. One of the best features of the bathroom is the large walk-in shower with overhead rainfall shower head. Unfortunately, the shower floor was sloped the wrong way, and it kind of flooded the bathroom every time we used it. The single vanity was kind of small, but it came equipped with any of the toiletries that we may have needed. A really unique feature of this bathroom was the mirror that slides out of the way so you can see into the rest of the room and out to the ocean. One of the most exciting features of this room is the wall of glass that has French sliding doors out to the balcony. This provides an amazing view of Maho Bay from the room. With both doors open, paradise truly becomes part of your room. From the balcony, you have amazing perspective of the planes landing at the airport, as well as all the views of the resort. The bistro set was perfect for enjoying room service all hours of the day and drinks. The resort has a rooftop lounge named the Sunset with almost a 270-degree view. It is the ideal place to enjoy a cocktail, unwind, and catch a sunset. At the end of the point dividing Maho Bay and Mullet Bay sits 2 of the included restaurants with the resort, the Azul and the Bluefin. The food at both restaurants was surprisingly good, and the views were spectacular. Overall, we really enjoyed the room and the rest of the resort. Coming in at almost half the price of a club room at Sandals, it is an excellent value, and we do recommend that other people enjoy this resort. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and a subscribe now.